let's talk about how you can integrate an e-commerce platform with Kontent.ai as your CMS. In this example, I'm using Shopify as the e-commerce platform, and I've already created a product and put in a unique product description and some images that will live in the e-commerce platform. Coming into Kontent.ai, we can click into content types where I've already created a product content type. Clicking into this content type, I've created two separate content groups. In one, I have content that will live only in the CMS, like name, a description, maybe some taxonomy. And then in the other group, I have the custom element that is integrated into Shopify. So custom elements, these are ways to implement third-party integrations with Kontent.ai, such as a map selector or a video embed, or in this case, integration into an e-commerce platform, where I will put in some hosted code. The app will be self-hosted. And in the parameters section, I put in any information that my app will need to query the appropriate data. Now we can use this content type when creating a new content item. I will select the collection, select the product content type, and then hit create. In the first group, I can add some information that will be stored in the CMS, like the name of the product. And I can even use Kontent.ai's native AI to create some content for me describing the product. This information will only live in the CMS. If I click in the e-commerce integration, I can search for my products in Shopify and then link this content element to a product in my e-commerce platform. I'll make sure to add to the body that this content is coming from the CMS so I can see which is coming from which solution. And now if I preview that, I see in the website and my front-end application, I can get information from my e-commerce platform, like the price that is coming from the e-commerce platform. The image is coming from the e-commerce platform, as well as I have two descriptions here. The product description, that is coming from Shopify. If I go into Shopify, I can add some more information here so I can really show that this is coming from Shopify. If I refresh this and look back at the content, I see that the product description is coming from the e-commerce site, where the additional information is coming from the CMS. So you can use both e-commerce solutions and a CMS to have rich product data in your front end.